the images done for our initial launches? Should we go for agency or should
What
we?
I used to do is, I used to click the picture. Now it is better if you can do 3D rendering. If the product is very complex, like it has a lot of edges, then the 3D rendering cost will be higher. But in general, you can just click the picture in normal photo studio and get it, like hire a Fiverr someone, a gig, and then just ask them to do the retouch and graphics. But after all, you have to have the like the knowledge on what type of graphics you want to add, like the infographics and all. Okay, you have to know that what text you are going to use. If you have the knowledge, how can you gain the knowledge? By looking at other competitors in Amazon.com, how they are doing their images, what colors they're using, what background they're using. Then you will gain the knowledge. Try to use Canva a lot. Okay, remove the background, use Canva a lot. Then you will have a good knowledge of images. And we also have our images services that we do, but we start from 10,000 for 5 images. Okay, we do 3D rendering, but 3D rendering prices depends on the product that you have. Okay.
In Fiverr, any idea like how do we know that this guy is genuine?
Yeah, just look at the reviews. Look at the reviews. How many reviews they have got. They have their portfolio, right? So check that portfolio. That is it the kind of work you wanted, because they might be working in architecture niche, and you are in e-commerce niche. E-commerce images are completely different than what others put. Like it is not something that you are going to use in a catalog. It is going to be the main thing that is going to describe your product.